Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good afternoon. It's Sunday and I did not, I got up early, but I didn't start filming right away because I had to do a few things. I had to get my car cleaned out because tomorrow I take my mother-in-law for a procedure. My car was not presentable. Not at all. And I'm thinking of actually going to the car wash and getting it vacuumed out. It's pretty nasty in there. Anyway, want to get some stuff loaded to go to pick it tomorrow too, because I don't have to pick her up until like 1 o'clock. So I can drop Victoria off in the morning and have time to move at least a few pieces in to pick it tomorrow before I have to go see her. But when I go take her to her procedure, I can't be there at the hospital. So I have to go somewhere else. I'm gonna go so you get more junking tomorrow, but that means today I have to finish at least 2 projects to stay on track for the 100 Project 100 Days Challenge. I have 4 projects that are just about done, so I think I can get 2 done today, even though it is well after lunch. Well, I'm gonna get to work. I'll film a little bit, but one of my projects is gluing these numbers back on. I cannot sell these because every time somebody picks them up, the head falls off and nobody wants it. So I am going to get some really sticky glue and maybe I'll epoxy these suckers in there. Okay, I've got epoxy resin in there. Me. Epoxy. For those of you thinking, that's not a very big project, doesn't matter, it needs to be done. And again, it's stupid how long it's taken me to fix it, because now that I've done we're on day 79 of the 100 Project 100 Day Challenge, so like 21 days left, and I'm looking back at all the things that I've accomplished in the last 79 days going, really, why did it take me so bloody long to get this stuff done? Ugh, I'm ashamed of myself. Not gonna lie, I'm not proud of myself. And I know that there was a lot of shiny object syndrome going on, but there was also a lot of just pure laziness on my part, not getting it done. Because how long did that take? Less than 2 minutes. I'm not proud. I'm not proud of myself. Okay. I've got a bunch of them now that have that same issue. And here I am. I've got this leg. This thing. Door's coming off. Needs to be JB welded back in place and painted. Have I done that? Have I welded it back in place? No. No. Nope, it's still hanging out. Seriously, the door just needs to be welded back. That's it. And then a touch up here and there on some of this oil rub bronze, and this sucker's done. Haven't done it yet. Okay, I've got my JB Quick Weld. This is a steel reinforced epoxy. And again, it's a 2-part epoxy, just like the other epoxies that I've used. And since I only tiny need a little bit, I've got this to mix it on. It's a piece of cardboard and then a fancy tool. And that's what I'm going to use to apply it. And I have a clamp to keep the glass in place. It sets in 6 minutes. It cures in 4 to 6 hours. So this afternoon it'll be all set. And I'm embarrassed about how long it's taken me to do this fix, so don't judge. That's more than I need. Way more than I need, actually. It's kind of a waste. So I'm gonna take the tool, my specialty tool here, mix it all together. on this spot. See, I just have a tiny little bit there on the corner, and then I'm gonna clamp it together. That's the second project complete. However, I want to hit it with some oil rub bronze because it wasn't initially red. This was probably a Christmas lantern of some kind. And somebody gave it an exterior oil rub bronze. And it's chipping in places. So I have oil rub bronze. I'm just gonna touch up the chips and we're gonna put it back in the shop. And yeah, again, ashamed at how long that took me. Oil rub bronze, yeah. No, classic bronze. I've got classic bronze. Same diff. Okay. Tack cloth for the dust. It's been sitting here so long it's accumulated quite a bit of dust. Again, not proud. I'm not proud. Just it's a fact. This is what happens. It's like the simplest things take you forever to get to, and I'm ashamed. If I had just done it in the first place, I wouldn't be looking at it right now. I don't understand this thing up here, but okay. Dust, 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 dust. What is that in there? Is it a chimney? What is a chimney? Whatever. And the longer this stuff sits unfinished in my inventory, the more money it's costing me. I mean, frankly, it's taking up space in my inventory. It's money that I've spent that's just languishing and not being, you know. The purpose is to make money on it, right? These lanterns are super popular at Christmas time, but I can do a spring arrangement in it as well. A little bird's nest or something in there. They don't sell as well in the spring. But it is what it is. At least it's back in rotation. And once it's in rotation, I don't feel like I'm losing money at least. So it can actually be sold. Okay, whoever did this bronze did a really crappy job. If you have to do it right, don't do it. Just so frustrating, the amount of DIYs that I fixed lately. Other people's really bad DIYs. There must be sandpaper on the floor somewhere. There's a big place where it was flaking, and I wanted to make sure that it's not going to flake off under my paint. The rest of it seems to be hanging on, but that one was like actually flaky. I don't want it to be flaky. Okay, let's get some paintbrush. Shake it up, baby, now. These metallic paints don't cover very well. That's the one thing I did notice about it when I was doing the purple dresser. They're difficult. They're a little difficult. You gotta get the hang of it, and you can't back brush. You can go one direction, and it's just a little frustrating when you're using, I wanna get it painted and I wanna get it done. Nope. Tap some color into the holes and then wait till it dries, and then we're gonna brush over the rest of it. I don't need white on there at all. Oh, by the way, speaking of white, you guys, I want to show you how good Zinsser Bin is. I spilled that on my thumb 2 weeks ago, and it's been through showers and hand washing and rubbing alcohol, and it's still there. I was going to take some nail polish remover and take it off, and then I wanted to see how long it would last. Holy cow, I was picking at it, trying to get it off. And look, Zinsser bin, guys, Zinsser bin. Okay, I'm now going to dry brush this with Shuttered Cottage is the color. Looks like a duck egg blue. Pretty much a duck egg blue, but maybe a little lighter. All right, she's together. And now I've got to wait to let that metallic stuff dry. My tote is starting to look really cute. I'm gonna finish the bottom in a minute when this is dry. It's chalk paint, it dries super quick. Then another one's down, another one down. Gonna get a lot done today. Yeah, I'm gonna clear coat a couple pieces. So this needs to be clear coat, that needs to be clear coat. This is a, remember him? Remember the pencil cup? It now has a coat of green paint on it. Looks cute. 4 projects in one day. And I still did all my work. Yeah. And I still have time to go vacuum out my car so my mother-in-law doesn't sit on dirt. Y'all, I just detailed my car from my mother-in-law. It is so clean in here. It's not even funny. I mean, I even cleaned out where my coins go. The little coin slot, dusted it. It's like a brand new car. So we're gonna go get a car wash because why not? If it's this clean, it might as well be clean outside too. It's so nice. Victoria's like, wow, I didn't realize what a nice car this was. And I'm like, thanks a lot. It's beautiful. There was a mouse in my car this winter. I found a little chewed stuff underneath my seat. It's not still there.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.